Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the options of Google Classroom and what all options we have and how can we use Google Classroom. So guys, if you go to this three dotted button and you want to refresh your Google Classroom, you can press the button refresh, the Google Classroom would be refreshed. If you put on this button guys, then here you get your classes. What all classes are there in your Google Classroom? Like see here I have these all classes. Which all classes you have in your Google Classroom you'll get in this. And here's your calendar in which you can see that what is the date today, and what is the year. So now guys you can do is to do. Into this you will get to know that what all you have to do means what all assignments your teacher have given you and you have not done still. Here you will get it what you have to do. And now in this class 8 maths you will get to know that what all subjects have, what all assignments you have done and you have to do in this all. If you click on anything you will reach to you will reach to the subject, and then it will show you what assignments you have to do and what you have done and your scores. And achieved classes means till now I've done achieved classes. This is my last year's class. Here you can see your achieved classes. In this classroom, these are the classroom folders. The classroom folders mean what all classes do you have. In this you can go to your settings. In the settings, the update, you can update your photo, you can sign to your mobile data, you can send email notifications, and you can do some device notifications also. And then next help. In this help, if you are not able to understand anything in Google Classroom, you can go to the, then these are the C help. See help, there you want to join a class as a student, you want to change your profile, your name, your photo, or your password, or you want to do an assignment which is not coming out, or you want to sign into your classroom, or you want to see your work for the class, you want to browse your all the articles, everything will be done guys. So after support, see there's next privacy policy. It is a privacy policy guys. Privacy policy, as I can't show it, it's a privacy. So in this you can get your emails, your passwords, everything. And these are terms of services, it will show you everything about your Google Classroom, show you everything about your Google Classroom. So that's all guys for today. If you have any more doubt about Google Classroom, then comment me in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.